There are many wonderful restaurants in Enugu, but when it comes to Jiahuraho and Ukpaka, this is my favorite place. Right opposite the Benz Clinic, at Independence Avenue, there is a small restaurant hidden behind bars that collaborates with a lady outside of the road, frying plantain and ghee with fresh, delicious ukpaka. The people working here know us very well because we used to come here all the time. We ordered our plates and I wanted to make a video of how the food looked when it came, but it was just too tasty, so I only recorded when I had already started eating. Unu furu ya? Ndị Igbo dị ụtọ.